beginner. So as a beginner, I would encourage you to get started from fiverr.com, fiverr.com. It's a very nice website. There are lots of websites out there like Freelancer, Elancer, Upwork, and People Per Hour, and so on. But what I find is that Fiverr is a good website to get started with, because expectation of people is pretty low over there. और काम भी जो है वो they are very simple. Like, people won't give you very complicated tasks. They will give you very simple tasks. You can say, I'll do this for you. It can be as simple as I can remove the background of a photo for you. Like, that could be a very simple gig. Or I can write 200 words for you. That could be a simple gig. So something as simple as that is something that you can get started with. And then while you are gaining experience, you can learn from that experience, and then you can grow yourself from there. All right, Navjot Kaur. Navjot is saying, I have 2 years of project officer experience. Now I want to do freelancing. Don't know where to start from. Navjot, it's very simple. What I would encourage you to do, because you have got experience, is create your profile on upwork.com, upwork.com. But also do a bit of search of project managers, project officer, project coordinators, and you will find a lot of people. Look at their profile. Find the things that you like about those profile, and then create your own profile. Just register on their system, create your profile, answer all of the questions. And once you have created your profile, share your Upwork profile on LinkedIn, send it to all of your friends as well, send it to all of your contacts as well, and tell them that I've started freelancing. Can you please share this profile? And that's how you will get your first job. It's very simple. मतलब freelancing जो है start करना is extremely simple, because the websites would tell you exactly what you need to do. Websites are waiting for you to register because their business model depends on it. So what you have to do right now is go after the session is go to upwork.com, click on register, and create your profile from there. And they will ask you the question, just keep on answering them, and your profile would be ready. They have got all the resources that you need to start working